Hello, my dear children. Children, take out your hop, skip, and jump, senior KG, my second book of phonics, and come to page number 6161. Our today's topic is long O sound. Children, long O makes a O sound. O, just like the name of the letter. Now, let's read these words with long O sound. Toes. How do we read this? Toes. O's. Toes. Do you hear the long O sound? Yes. Toes. Next. B-O-A-T. How do we read this? Oat. Oat. Long O sound. Boat. Next. R-O-S-E. How do we read this? O's. O's. Rose. Long O sound, right? Rose. Next. O-A-R. How do we read this? Or. Or. Long O sound. Next. C-O-A-T. How do we read this? Coat. 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 Long O sound. Next. O-V-A-L. How do we read this? Oval. Oval. Long O sound. Oval. Next. S-N-O-W. How do we read this? Snow. 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 Long O sound. Next. O-P-E-N. How do we read this? Open. Open. Long O sound. Next. Rowboat. R-O-B-O-T. Rowboat. Long O sound. Next. Stone. Stone. S-T-O-N-E. Stone. Next. G-O-A-T. How do we read this? Goat. 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 Long O sound. So children, long O says O, just like the name of the letter. So children, you have to practice reading at home, watch the video again and again, and learn the correct pronunciation. Bye bye.